Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a Puerto Rican style candy taste test, and so basically this one's very hard, this one's soft, it feels like a Rice Krispie treat, and then this one just looks like peanut butter and jelly, but it smells so good. So let's try this one first. It looks the best out of all of them, so I absolutely love it. See about this one. I'm just gonna take a small bite because I smelled this and I don't really like the way it smells, but I know the smell is not the taste, but who cares? Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't really like it. It's so sweet. Peanut butter and jelly time. Nah, JK, it's just guava jelly or whatever it is. So in all, for their ratings, I give this one a 5, this one a 4, and this one is maybe a 1. So, thumbs up. And these are also for trade too. I can get you some of these. They taste super good, although I don't really like this one. And I have more, so maybe I'll do the other ones that are kind of rare-ish. So yeah, these are for trade too. So if you like to taste these, and this one is so good. It's so good. I don't know why I like it so much, but it's just absolutely, oh my god. So anyways, these are for trade too, and these are so yummy. And let me know what type of candy I should do next.